I used my set of steel rulers on so many tasks that it can be tough to track down where I last left them. What they need is a home, so I have a place to put them back and a place where I know they're going to be every time I come into the shop. And that's just what this rack does. It's pretty simple to make. It has a 1/2-inch plywood back and a series of 4 solid wood uprights. Angled kerfs in the uprights cradle the rulers so I know that they're not going to fall out. Now every time I come into the shop, I know where to grab them, and it's easy to tell if one of them's missing. A simple organizer like this works great on pegboard, but you could just as easily hang it on the wall and keep track of your rulers too.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this tip and you want to see more from Woodsmith, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be uploading woodworking videos and tips weekly. And trigger the bell, that way you get notified when we do upload those videos. Any links for plans or supplies we use for these projects will be down in the description. As always, thank you for watching.